Okay, this is our grade 8 mathematics lesson. This is our discussion part A. Find the slope of a line given 2 points. Our target here is to determine the value of the slope of a line. Okay, ito yung ating given 2 points. Number 1, negative 3, 5, and second point, 3, 5. Okay, we're going to answer given number 1. This formula, we are going to use this formula. This is what we call as the slope of a line formula. In the form of m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay. Sagutan natin ang given number 1. Given number 1, negative 3, 5, and the second point, 3, 5. Okay, we're going to locate the values. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1. We have y sub 2. This is our x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. The second point. Again, x sub 1, y sub 1 is our first point. Second point, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, applying the formula, we have m equals y sub 2 is 5 minus y sub 1 is 5. Then, x sub 2, that is 3, minus x sub 1 is negative 3. Okay, m equals 5 minus 5 is 0. 3, negative times negative 3 is plus, or positive 3, will become m equals 0 over 3 plus 3 is 6. Therefore, m equals 0 divided 6 is 0. Therefore, the slope of a line given 2 points in number 1 is 0. Okay, next, given number 2. Given number 2, we have negative 3, 2, and 0, 4. Okay, now, applying again the formula, m equals y sub 2. We're going to write first the values. This is our x sub 1, y sub 1, first point. X sub 2, y sub 2, second point. Okay, applying the formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Y sub 2 is 4. Y sub 2 okay, that is equal to y sub 2 is 4 minus y sub 1 is 2. Then x sub 2, that is 0 minus, that is negative 3 or plus 3 automatic. We have m equals 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. Therefore, the slope of the line or of a line is slope equals 2/3. Okay, now, since we have the given slope in number 1, the slope here is 0. In number 2, the slope is 2/3. Please answer this given number 3. Comment your answer and provide it to the comment section of this video.